Are you looking? With golf's growing popularity among all age groups, more players are opting for walking the course instead of riding carts, creating a surge in demand for golf push carts. These handy trolleys allow golfers to carry their gear effortlessly while staying active. This guide evaluates the best golf push carts with umbrella holder, focusing on key features like wheel stability, folding design, build quality. List number 4-wheel golf push cart, lightweight compact folding golf trolley, pull behind manual golf caddy. If you're looking for stability and functionality, the 4-wheel golf push cart delivers. With its 4-wheel design, this model provides extra balance on uneven terrain, making it ideal for hilly courses. It folds down compactly for easy transport and storage. Despite being lightweight, it feels durable and can comfortably carry full-size golf bags. It includes an umbrella holder, drink holder, and a spacious scorecard console. The wheels glide smoothly and require minimal effort to push or pull. Though it lacks a 360-degree swivel wheel, its stability more than compensates. Golfers who prioritize balance and value over high-tech features will find this cart an excellent choice. List new golf push cart, 3-wheel with 360 swivel front wheel, lightweight and foldable walking golf cart. This 3-wheel golf push cart shines with its 360-degree swivel front wheel, offering exceptional maneuverability around tight corners and on various terrains. It's ultra lightweight, making it an excellent option for seniors or anyone seeking less physical strain during play. The folding mechanism is straightforward, and once collapsed, it fits easily into most car trunks. The umbrella holder adds a nice touch, offering protection on sunny or rainy days. The build feels durable yet minimalist, striking a perfect balance for recreational golfers. A foot-operated brake ensures safety on slopes. If mobility and ease of use are your priorities, this cart is a top contender. List number: golf push cart, 3-wheel, foldable golf push cart, golf bag cart with foot brake, umbrella holder. This cart combines smart design with solid construction, tailored for players who value both style and function. The golf push cart 3-wheel comes with a built-in umbrella holder, ensuring comfort and protection from unpredictable weather. Its foot brake system is responsive and secure, even on sloped courses. The frame is made of durable aluminum, which keeps it light without sacrificing strength. It folds down quickly and compactly, making it a breeze to transport. Storage accessories like the scorecard holder and beverage slot are practical touches. It's a no-fuss, reliable option for regular players who want a premium experience without breaking the bank. List number: golf push cart, 3-wheel, foldable golf push cart, golf bag cart with foot brake. This version is almost identical to the previous cart, but does not include an umbrella holder, which may be a deal breaker for some. However, the cart still impresses with its sleek, foldable design, sturdy wheels, and responsive foot brake system. Its minimalist frame makes it easy to carry, and the smooth rolling wheels provide a comfortable pushing experience. It fits both stand and cart bags well, keeping everything secure during your route. Although it lacks the umbrella holder, the cart remains a great pick for fair-weather golfers who don't need extra sun or rain protection. List number: KVV 3-wheel golf push cart, ultra lightweight, smallest folding size, new version scorecard holder. The KVV 3-wheel golf push cart is a fantastic option for golfers prioritizing portability and innovative design. It boasts one of the smallest folding sizes in its class, making it perfect for compact storage in small vehicles or lockers. This updated version features a new scorecard holder design, along with a built-in umbrella holder and drink slot. The cart's aluminum frame is feather-light yet sturdy, making it ideal for senior golfers or anyone who walks the course regularly. Its ergonomic handle and smooth rolling wheels provide excellent control. Though it doesn't have a swivel front wheel, its maneuverability is still solid for most course conditions.